Good evening, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Apil Sir. So, I am going to solve the exercise 1.4. Dear students, so come to the question number 2 here. You see, in the question number 2, let A equal to this one, B equal to this one. Now, is A is a subset of B? And what is A union B? Guys, A is a subset of B. This is our question. Is this A is a subset of B? Yes, we have discussed about the subset and superset in the previous lectures. Okay, so if you wish, then you can go that lecture also. Okay, but here you see, just I will try to recall some basic concept of subset here. Suppose you see, if we consider, suppose set is like this one, AB, yes, and B is another set. They consider here ABC. Capital A is said to be subset of the set capital B if all the elements of this set A are the elements of this set B also. Yes, now you check whether all these elements of this set A are the elements of this B or not. Here you see, here A is present and this A is also is here. That means this A is the element of this B set also. Here you see this B element. Yes, this is also the elements of this set. Yes, that means all the elements of this set capital A are also the element of this capital B. That means this A is a subset of V. Yes, that means what will be this one? Yes. Yes, what will be the answer of this question? Yes. Yes, A is a subset of V. Now, what will be A union B here? Yes, A union B will be a set which consists all those elements. Yes, A, B, C. So, you collect all those elements here, A, B, C. Yes, A, B, C. And here you see A and B, and they are common, so we can ignore. So, this is nothing, A union B. And what is this L set here? You see, this is nothing, this is B. Yes, that means A union B. Yes, A union B is nothing here, B. Yes, because this set is our B set. For any, if A is a subset of B for any A and B, if A is a subset of B, then what will be A union B, guys? Then A union B always will be B. So you must remember this concept. Yes, if A is a subset of B, then what will be A union B? This will be B here. Yes, so you must to next question. Here you see, if A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B, then what is A union B? Yes, what will be A union B, guys? You say what will be this one? This will be B, because here you see A is a subset of B. Yes, A is a subset of B. That means what will be A union B? This will be B here. Yes, okay.